On this video, you're going to learn how to update globals. So let's go ahead and create a new workflow definition. Let's call the definition update globals. Once the workflow designer opens, we are going to define three different globals. So we're going to go under actions, define globals. On this screen, we're going to define a global called data, which is type string. We're going to add another numeric global, and let's call it age. And we're going to create another date global called service date. And now we're going to get the update global step by searching on the toolbox. Once we drag the step, we're going to connect the two steps together and then configure the properties of this particular step. So here we want to make sure that we go into update multiple globals. And you can also add a couple of different rows here. So since we're going to be updating multiple globals, we're going to now add a global here called data, and we're going to set the data value to be XYZ, and then we're going to set the global called age to be 67, and then we're going to set the global service date as, let's put it as May 6th, 2016, and make sure to put this value inside double quotes. We're going to save that. Once we have saved, we're going to save the workflow definition. We're going to create a new instance of this definition. Let's go ahead and generate a name and say create and execute. Now we can go ahead and close the workflow designer and go look at your workflow instances. You should see your instance that has finished executing. Let's go ahead and render it. And if we click on this particular step, we'll be able to view the status of or the values of those globals. And if you look, you can see that the age is 67, data is set to XYZ, and the service date is set to 5/6/2016. That's how easy it is to update globals within FlowWright.